when Melissa comes today Melissa is going to defend Mattia if Melissa comes. And Melissa got the warning yesterday night.
Another.
No, another. We were checking the market, all the pairs, you know, and Melissa, it happened that God works in mysterious ways. It happened that Melissa was analyzing CHF JPY. And Melissa said, short. And I said, are you sure? She said, hell yeah. I said, all right, first warning. First warning for you. And she said, well, I said, calm down. Douglas and Mattia, they got the warning as analysts. But you got the warning as a trader now. You know? And Melissa need to pick somebody else to defend her now, you know? It's so much fun, you know? It's so much fun, so. And, okay, we are recording, right?
Yes.
Okay, everybody, so it's all oh, Julie's here. It's all about tomorrow. Okay, so share your screen and tell me what is your plan for tomorrow on any euro pair, whatever, you know. Okay, everybody.
The plan is that we wait for the news, and me that I work on daily chart. If the news are good, I stay in positions on Euro CHF that I didn't close last week. And obviously, I look for other currency pairs that I can trade on a long on Euro side.
And what if news is bad? What are you going to do with the news?
What if the news is bad? I will analyze attentively the Euro JPY pair and wait for the signal to go short. Here we have yet. I share the screen if you want.
Sure.
Can you see the screen?
Wait a second. Yes.
Yes.
Well, this is daily chart, Euro JPY. As you can see, yesterday we had candlestick formation short on this past resistance.
Correct.
And perhaps I don't know if waiting for this breakout or this breakout, because anyway, this is I think this is yet a retracement.
Sure.
This is the problem is that this is a higher high compared to this one.
Sure.
So I am a little bit confused, honestly.
What are you confused about?
Because this is an higher high compared to this one. Perhaps for me the best solution is to wait for this breakout.
All good. There's no right or wrong on strategy, right, everybody? There is no right or wrong.
I just ask if it could be if it could go.
Come again?
I just ask you if it could be right to wait for that breakout.
Mattia, what do you think about Mario's question?
Unfortunately, it's unfamous answer. Not unfamous, but famous, according to your strategy.
Nobody
but we need to ask differently. That like Mario asked, like Micha, what you are going to do, not what is best, what is do, but try to ask what is your plan, what are you going to do, and you will get the answer you want. Not asking the question like what do you think, or
what should I do?
What should I do? It's according to your strategy. And
yeah, very good. So everybody, we cannot tell you what to do. Make sense? Because if I tell you what to do, maybe consciously you say, "Oh, all right, you know, it's oh yeah, I'm responsible," but subconsciously you are not going to understand that you made a mistake. Make sense? If I tell you short there, and if it goes bad, you know, Mika told me, you know, make sense, everybody? We cannot tell you what to do. You need to figure out your own way. I can, as Matthias said, I can tell you what I'm doing, but you cannot even copy what I do because it's personality, it's strategy, it's belief, you know? So I'm going to share my screen just for the time being. And can you see it, everybody? So talking about Euro JPY, number one, this morning I made a stupid mistake. You know, this morning I did what I shouldn't. You know, I made $1,100 on Euro JPY, and I gave it all back to the market with this stupid hedge, even more. You know, here I had the hedge, buy, sell, and I lost 1,500 here. Can you see everybody the mistake? This is number one. But moving forward, you know, I'm already in Euro JPY in here, and I have a hedge up in here, you know, and I'm expecting if the market is going to go up, I'm expecting to go here somewhere to pass to resistance, you know, just maybe. It's going to come on. It's going to here to pass to resistance before it falls. Just maybe. I don't know what. Maybe I'm wrong. You know, I don't know what's going to happen. So if it falls like I believe it's going to fall, and you know, then I'm going to be here with 10 lots, and then if it goes down and break this low, it's going to be with another 10 lots, and hopefully this is going to solve. If Euro gets bad, this is going to solve this sucker, which is still going nowhere. The daily makes sense, everybody? But again, you know, Euro CHF, it has a positive swap, so I'm not in a hurry even. Makes sense, everybody? Positive swap, positive swap. I don't care. I can stay here for months. So basically, what I'm trying to recover is it's 3% loss from me doing stupid mistake. Makes sense, everybody? The 3% that I'm down from 100,000 to 96, it's almost 97. The 3% that I lost, this was pure stupidity. I mean, like freaking moron. Makes sense, everybody? But nonetheless, you know, it's and even if Euro JPY goes up in here, you know, I'm keep telling everybody Euro JPY must fall. It must. It cannot. Make sense, everybody? I don't know how. It could be wishy-washy until January next year. I don't know, but it must fall. Make sense, everybody? And if God doesn't love the Forex market, then he's going to break the monthly band, and then I am in a deep shit. Like I need to solve another problem. You know, I have two problems now. I need to resolve Euro CHF. It's a problem, but it's not that big because I have a positive swap. It's just a waiting time. You know, just need to wait to go down, whatever the market. But if Euro JPY breaks the monthly bands, now I have another problem because it have a negative swap. Make sense? So as a business owner, this is what you cannot copy, Melissa. As a business owner, if it goes good, I'm going to pocket, I'm going to clean the account, and I'm going to make between 5 to 10%. If Euro gets weak. If it's this is the good news, this is the plan. I know what I'm going to do if the plan is good. I'm going to hedge Euro CHF, and then with Euro JPY, I'm going to compensate. Okay? Going to compensate. Now, if Euro gets strong, I'm going to make money on Euro CHF, but then I have Euro JPY to resolve. Meaning now it's the yen. Okay, everybody? But again, this is me, my strategy, my personality, my time, you know. And if you are Heraldo, you know, it's a different strategy, different personality, different time. Heraldo, it's kind of short-term day trader. Heraldo cannot, it's going to get crazy waiting 3 months for something to you know, make sense, everybody? And this is why we cannot tell you what to do. You must find your own way. Make sense? You can partner up, you can debate, you can share ideas, you know. Okay, Mario? Buon dia, Ramildo. Good morning. So, Mattia, please, now it's your share your screen. Tell us what's the plan for tomorrow. Estamos conversando, Ramildo, qual é o plano para amanhã sobre a notícia do euro.
Okay.
Now it's Mattia.
Just a second. Okay, so I'm betting basically on euro to be weak.
Me too. We're going
So-
to, me and Mattia are going to pray to God on the knees, you know, like go
Yes.
to church and the
I'm
Kundalini.
already late, so euro AUD already went down. It's I was watching this pattern, but I was not sure to enter short here, so
Wow.
I
Wow.
move on, like, or how you say, the train left the station, so
Train has left the station. Elvis has left the building.
so I think this pair it's not relevant for tomorrow anymore.
We don't know, right? Maybe yes, maybe
Yeah,
no.
yeah. But yeah, on the weekly I still see that we can go way down, so maybe from weekly chart can still have some opportunities, but we are still in this uptrend here.
Everybody, just something educational. Mattia, would you be so kind and open the currency strength?
Yeah, just a second. For today,
Currency strength is going to show you, did euro AUD fall because of the euro, or it's euro AUD falling because of the AUD? If euro AUD is falling because of the AUD, tomorrow news is going to still have an effect on the euro. The euro is going to fall even more.
yeah,
Everybody?
agree. Yeah, AUD and NZD, it's
So
strong.
euro AUD, it's not falling because euro it's weak. It's falling because AUD is strong.
Yeah,
This means that tomorrow, if euro gets even weaker, so it's bad news. It's still going to fall. Make sense, everybody?
yeah.
All right, just this.
Thanks. Okay, so EuroCAD, it's similar. I'm looking what the market is doing right now. It's like consolidating. I'm looking to short, but I'm not sure what the market is trying to do right now here. So
Yes, Mario, question?
Where can I find the strength that Mattia showed before?
I will send you the link
Thank you, Matti.
on Teams. Otherwise, you have also on TradingView, if you want. I think, let me currency.
Mattia está dando força da moeda, Romildo, para o Mario.
I'm not sure which one it is.
Currency strength.
Yeah, I think it's that one. So, but you need to know how to use it. It's basically the same. You see this every time here, and here is like a reset of the time. So you can go here on this. So resolution is 1 day. So this is every day, but you can also put like a week. So every week the currency strength is reset. So this can be useful to check the best rate for the week. So we can see that this week the NZD and AUD is the strongest for the whole week, and the weakest is CAD. So you know that this week the best moves was AUD, CAD, and then NZD, Canada NZD.
You can also see trends, right, everybody?
Yeah. And it can be useful, and you can, if you change the time frames, like if you have go on 5-minute chart, the resolution is more better, basically. This is then for the week, and I can change for the day here. Or if you are a scalper or a day trader, you can put it like for every 4 hours or something.
Very good, excellent.
Okay, sorry for that.
Thank you. Sorry, thank you. We're grateful.
Okay, so I'm not sure what the market is trying to do here. So
Eu não sei o que o mercado está tentando fazer no Euro-Canadá.
I will look like, sorry, I will look like break of this and down kind of movement. So
Vou tentar
something
vender.
like this. If we break down, I will short. Otherwise, I will just let it go. I'm not sure if I will enter long here at this point. If the news will be good for euro, but I'm just having the short scenario right now.
Right, very good, excellent.
Euro CHF also short. I see right now here that this pattern is behaving like extension, retracement. Maybe we will get another extension.
É o ministro declarou nulidade de todo o processo. Declarou nulidade, essa porra tá toda nula.
I muted.
Okay. So I am in long trade here just to practice the office thing, like I'm planning to hedge here below this level. This is basically just practice for hedging one trade that's opposite to Euro GPY idea. And if I'm honest, I don't really understand the idea of long this pair from the past week office, but I try to do what office tell us to do.
The idea it's at the monthly band. This is the whole idea.
Okay. Okay. Makes sense.
Anything else?
No. For this pair, no. So Euro GBP, it's already started to move down.
All right, all good.
I should be in here, and I'm not. So the train is going without me. So I will look for another pattern here to enter. But
everybody educationally, I mean, it's a difficult question because you must be an old guy like me. Do you know why Mattia is just a name, but what Mattia is charting, it's very difficult to trade psychologically. Do you know why? Why Mattia is not entering Euro AUD, Euro GBP?
Because it's not clear rules about chart, or its perspective of a trader.
Exactly, because these charts, those lines like wedges, and those are not tradable patterns. Make sense? If you would educationally, everybody, if you would have a downtrend on Euro GBP, then you would enter because your brain sees a downtrend. It's charting, and you have a clear stop loss, clear entry setup, and clear take profit. But charting like brokers are charting and investment banks are charting, they're throwing wedges everywhere, you know.
Yeah.
Makes sense, everybody? This is the why. Okay.
I will just write down.
Sure. It's for everybody. You are never going to trade something that your brain doesn't understand. And it's not clear. Makes sense, everybody? So, as you can see now, like the blue one, right? You're seeing the blue lines, everybody. You are not going to buy the blue line, believe me.
But this is 1 hour chart, is it right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, because on the daily, I cannot see many reasons to go short.
No, we're going to, the blue line suggests that you need to buy the blue line, makes sense? But you're not going to buy
Here?
it. Yes.
No, it's this pattern is basically suggesting that it's corrective, that the price will go down. So
why do you have the blue?
Why? What?
Why do you have the blue line then, like trend line?
Okay,
up?
so basically what can I expect here is, okay, you expect the price to go down here, but will price do this and go up and continue this pattern, or we will break this pattern and make this corrective move, and then you expect the price to continue to go down?
Exactly. So I'm telling all of you guys, you're not going to buy if it happens the first scenario. Do you know why not?
Why not?
Because your brain is going to see a crown.
Here.
Yes.
Maybe.
I'm telling you, this is so I mean, there are no rules, make sense, on charting. There are no rules on strategy, but you cannot trade something that it's not clear and you don't understand. Like you have no faith, no clear entries, no clear setups. Julius, is Julius here? Julius. And the guys are hiding. Heraldo is hiding. Melissa is hiding. Neramildo, Heraldo está se escondendo. Melissa está se escondendo. Wait, man.
Okay, for JPY, I already entered here more speculation wise, and but I trade here the higher time frame right now, and I have stop loss here above the monthly band.
Excellent, very good.
But I'm seeing right now that this correction, so this is for me saying that look for entry to go short. Like we have this up channel and we move aggressively down, we retrace, and after this retracement you expect that the price will continue to go down.
Can you see a crown there also?
Yes.
All right.
So for me it's short euro.
Everybody, I have suggestion for Mattia and you, Mario. You know, there is a lot of stuff out there, okay? There are countless strategies, systems, charting methods. Get good at one. Okay, everybody? Master one thing for starters. And then when you're good at one thing, go to another thing. And when you go to another thing, then you can have multiple strategies, multiple patterns, whatever, you know? Make sense? There is no right or wrong. Nobody's going to tell you, oh, what Matthias charting is wrong. It doesn't exist.
Yeah.
So if Elliott waves, I don't know Elliott waves. For me, it's too complex. But if it works for John, use it. But try to get good at one, everybody. Makes sense?
Makes sense.
And try not to change a lot. Makes sense, everybody?
Change a lot mean like
the like
concept?
Julie, like learning something, it's okay. Now trying to find the holy grail, it's not okay. That's everybody. And it's a it's a mind trap that happens to retail traders. I am going to learn Fibonacci because I'm not making any Fibonacci, any money. I'm going to learn market wave. I'm not making any money on market wave. I'm going to learn the short-term trends. Because I'm not making any money on the short-term trends, I'm going to learn Ichimoku. Because I'm not good at Ichimoku, I'm going to learn the elemental butterfly. Because I'm not good at elemental butterfly, I'm going to go to, and so on and so on and so on. You must, and I'm telling you, you must wake up and understand it's not possible that 7 strategies, methodologies, patterns, that nothing works.
Yeah. It's something else.
It's me that didn't master it. Make sense? Now, why didn't I master it? Well, now it gets personal. Everybody has a different story. Make sense? But you must wake up to, because if not, you're going to stay in these markets forever, and you're going to get depressed, and time is going to pass. And this is not different than traders that are going to the what's the word, guys? The binary options. They make no money. They go to stocks. From stocks, they go to the Forex market. From the Forex market, they go to crypto market. And from the crypto, they go to commodity market. Make sense? But those guys, they don't know. Everybody? So you need to, as soon as you can catch yourself like, okay, I need to get good at something. Make sense, everybody? Now, I am pro learning. Read as much as you can, watch as many videos as you can, test as many as you can. I am pro learning. But do something in the sense that you're going to get good at. Like Julius, it's good at candlestick formation, right, Julius?
Yes, boss.
Yeah. We tend to jump from one theory to another theory.
And do you want to see something? I'm not sure if it's ironic or sad. Yesterday night, Melissa was working with Marcus, and there was a question. Marcus quit after 9 years. He never got to 100 samples. And Marcus was always focused on the strategy, never worked on psychology. I mean, never. And Marcus is back, and Melissa asked him, or asked him, I don't know, but anyway, it was a question, how do you know you're going to be successful this time? So when you're back, Marcus said, because I know I have a good strategy.
Yeah.
Do you understand where is the problem with us? We're all the same.
Yeah.
Is Marcus going to be successful?
Hope so, but I'm afraid that it will be the same.
Fair enough. If he is going to grow emotionally, yes, sure, trading is a learnable skill. But if he's going to stay at the same level emotionally, like from 9 years ago, he's never going to make it. Make sense?
Makes sense.
This is psychology. All right, sorry about that. You're a JPY.
Yeah, so short. That's the main plan.
Short, where is my Kundalini? Point. Short the market.
So I'm already exposed. I'm risking, I think, 12% of the account already on Euro JPY.
Wow, plus to Mattia. Wow, 12%.
12, yeah.
Wow, I'm proud of. I'm not sure other people, but I am proud of you. This is a huge improvement. Guess what happens?
So maybe I will.
Wait. Guess what happens if you lose?
Nothing will.
I'm going to tell you, good job, son. Look at me. I'm going to tell you, good job, son. It's going to happen what happened with me and institutional trading. I have a losing month, and they told me, good job, son. I said, wow, those guys are crazy. I mean, good job, and I'm. Make sense, everybody?
Yeah.
This is why Raldo it's whistling.
I will think about put a hedge here above.
Heraldo, my best trade is USD CHF, and you see the lots 0.01. Heraldo, o melhor trade dele no USD CHF está colocando 0.01 lot.
Por
Ramildo está dando risada, né? Thank you, Mattia. Mario, education question. Why did you short USD CHF? Perché cazzo hai venduto USD CHF?
We can see together if you want.
Yes, please.
Okay. Give me just one moment, please.
Sure. Okay, so I was expecting an answer that you're not giving me, so it's okay. You didn't short because Heraldo told that he's going to short, right?
No.
All right, then
it's my mistake.
No, it's not a mistake. Would be everybody if you do something because other people telling you to do. Make sense?
If you have a plan and you know why you did it, then it's not a mistake.
O errado seria, Romildo, se você faz coisas porque outro cara está falando. Se você tem um plano, que nem falou Mattia, if you have a plan. Se você tem um plano, then it's okay. Aí tá tudo certo.
Well, basically, here I am shorting the short-term trend, this trend here. But we are on the daily chart. But I treat this trade as a support resistance pivot point trade because of this long trend line here. So for me, it will be this would be one profit, the first profit, stop loss at break even, and this would be the second profit. This is the daily chart. Everything is. Sorry?
All good. Excellent. All good. It's okay. We don't hear anything. It's all good. Don't worry.
Okay, no, me, I hear. So it's a problem to hear you. So okay, this is the weekly chart that short-term trending weekly chart is also short. Here we had the counter. We had the counter trend line break, so it was aligned to go short, but it's a little bit risky this trade because of this long trend line.
All right. Do you have any plan for the euros? We talked about already. You
for the euros
next on Friday, right?
Yes, I will wait till tomorrow in the evening and after take decisions about the euro pairs.
All good.
I have a euro CAD here to go long on the other platform, but euro NZD no.
Okay.
Euro GBP. Euro GBP for me, here we have a consolidation this side, So I would like to go long if the news are good. But anyway, I will wait the breakout of this consolidation to go long.
All right, excellent. All right, good. Julius, what's your plan? Oh, sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, Julius, what's your plan with Euro? Tomorrow it's the day.
Okay. Let's see. I will go share screen.
They can stop presenting. Maybe it's going to.
Me. Sorry.
All good. But yeah, you need to call Melissa, man. Where are you? We are in court. You know, the judge is waiting. Like.
Yeah. I sent. I told her the idea, but I was thinking that we will do it yesterday.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot.
Yeah, no problem.
My bad.
No
you know,
problem.
it's-
All right, so EuroJPY for me already. I'm on this trade already, right? From here, I think let me find it properly previously, but I'm still going to take a new position. Okay, this one is out. I can't even remember which one is this one. But anyway, that's that by the way, because I plan to take, yeah, this is the one I'm still on this one. So
Wow, nice.
what I'm going to do, I'm still going to take a new position. So this one is going to go out, but I think I have to document that one first. So let me just close it first. So right here on the daily, let me start from the monthly quickly. Monthly binary, as we all know, I can feel a candlestick engulfing dark cloud cover, 50% area already broke and did not test before it went all the way because we are in a consolidation. So we have support here, we have resistance here, we have support, and normally we are supposed to see price come down here. But so far,
Wait. Apostle Julius, man, let me take this. I didn't see consolidation, Julius. Wow. Did anybody see consolidation? I didn't.
on the monthly time frame,
Sure. I didn't see the consolidation, man. Congratulations. I don't have consolidation on Euro JPY. Thank you, Julius. Thank you, Julius.
you're welcome.
All right. See, everybody, we learn from each and everybody.
Yeah. So at this point in
Sorry,
time,
Julius, is it the monthly chart?
Yes.
yeah, this is the monthly.
But Micha,
Sure.
can you zoom out, please?
Zoom out, Julius. Make it smaller.
Yes, it's okay. Four touch, two on the top, two on the bottom. Okay. Thank
All
you,
right,
Julius.
so you're welcome. So at this point, I notice candlestick signals right here, and back in time we got this inside bar candlestick signal here back in time right here. So when the market broke out with this, normally it will usually used to retest before going up, but this case the market did not retest, so it went up and we are here. So at this point in time, I'm expecting price to come down when it's ready to retest this area, and we have 50% of this candle
Agreed. Sure.
bet holding candlestick signal. All right, now at this point in time, I can also see another inside bar. This one closed inside this candle here, and since then the market has been refusing to continue to push up because already we are at the monthly resistance band, and this candle is proving strong to hold the resistance right here. So for me, we can see this month it actually approached that area, same level towards 50% of this week. here and got rejected 1 and 2. And now the price is below this last 2 months, 50% area, this red line here. Price is below it. So anytime price close below that area on the smaller time frame, which I'm going to check now, I have a little bit of confidence with the monthly band area that price is still going to push down. And again, yeah, that's what I have on the monthly time frame so far, right? And on the weekly time frame, right here, I can see consolidation, even a very small consolidation. And we have another dark cloud cover, bearish engulfing, and price is still holding right here. And we have inside bar candlestick formation here. Then the market is trying to break above that high, that swing high right here that the market created here. So the price is trying to break above it, but so far, once it went up, it got rejected here. And then from this level, the market has gone. Actually, the market did not just push up from here. Instead, the market gapped. It gapped from here to this level, bought up, and now sellers are pushing it down to the downside right here to keep this inside bar candlestick formation here, this one, to still keep it in place. All right. So at this point in time, I'll be waiting to see how this weekly candle is going to close for the week. If this candle should close bearish here, then I have a confidence that the market is going to sell. That is for next week. Now we're talking about how the market is going to react tomorrow.
Julius, do you know how much money I'm going to make if you are correct on the consolidation?
You?
Yes. $80,000.
Wow.
I'm going to make 80%.
Wow, that's great. I would like to make that one too with you.
You're sure the market put in lots and.
All right, we'll see. So I just want to see the market close below this candle close on the smaller time frame. That will help if we don't have any candle, bullish candle that is reversing the movement on the smaller time frame. So what I'm going to do if I want to sell daily right here, I saw these lower lows here, and then the market made lower high, higher low, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, and then we have lower low that is not yet fully complete, all right? Because already we know what is a low, right? So this line here, let me change it to black. All right, this black line here still not ready for a sell, although we have a the traditional bearish candlestick signal, not shooting star, evening star, right? So normally from the methodology of it is that we have to wait for the market to go all the way 50% area or get back to this level before the sell is going to come. So that's what I'm waiting for, but still I'm not going to wait. I'll go to the 4-hour time frame to look for a confirmation because I already have an upcoming short-term trend here, although not the relevant one because relevant short-term trend is here. Excuse me. We have the orange line here. The low is here, all right? And we have 50% market wave right here. The red one, 50%. And then hopefully we have 75%. And now consolidation resistant area. The resistance is still holding. Now, for me to enter this market to sell, I'm not selling from the daily. I trade from the 1 hour and then 4-hour time frame. So I have this. This is a signal. This is crown. Hopefully.
See, everybody, educationally, you cannot make the money that I make on the 1 hour because it's too small, too tight stop. Make sense?
Yeah.
Make sense, Julius? Educationally, you cannot make 80,000.
No, not possible.
Because you're on the. So you need to go. Oh, good morning. Melissa is here. We're waiting for you. We're waiting.
Good morning.
You're mute. You're mute. The judge got crazy. Melissa said, where is the jury? Where is the,
I'm sorry. I was trying not to come. I apologize.
All right. Everybody, let me show you what Julius helped me. Am I sharing?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's see.
Okay. So this is the loss. If I'm wrong, I'm going to hedge anyway. But I have a.
We don't see what you're pointing at.
Do you see the number?
No, we just see the chart. The charts.
I'm sorry, I don't know what to do. Okay, anyway, so I'm moving the mouse on the. Do you see the red line on the stop loss?
No, you
Still not
Mika,
yet.
you try to present again because you just clicked the window. You didn't click
Stop
the whole screen.
presenting. Stop presenting.
Because you are presenting something that we don't see.
Give me a second, maybe. Oh, right. Better? Can you see now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to have not a stop loss, but a hedge on. I'm risking 10,000. Can you see everybody? Is it showing?
Not.
No.
No.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you. So it's 9,700. It's up in here, and if it goes down to here, it showed 37,000, and this is just on one trade. So if what Julius said, consolidation and so on, if this goes down to here, I'm going to make $80,000 into trades.
Wow.
Meaning I'm going to be 80% in profit on the account. So I'm willing to risk 10,000 to get 40,000. Makes sense, everybody?
So do you have a close? Are you the hedge and everything you will close at monthly band, or you just have another hedge there?
I'm not closing anything. I need to, if the market goes against me, and if the hedge triggers, then I need to rethink what to do, what is the stop loss, how to.
Okay.
This is just for tomorrow, not for me, not to freak out. Make sense, everybody? Julius made me $80,000 if euro is going to fall. So thank you, Julius.
You're gonna share with me, no? Thank you, boss.
Well, I just told you, you cannot make this kind of profits on the 1 hour chart. This is the issue with small time frames.
Okay, so it's all right.
Romildo?
Opa,
Ok, então você vai participar da conversa. You're going to participate in the conversation. Okay. Melissa is going to defend Mattia. And then Melissa told your story from yesterday. You got a warning as a trader. So you need to pick up somebody else to defend you. Okay. Remember, everybody, me and Melissa were going to talk, and then you guys are going to vote, ok? Eu e Melissa vamos conversar e depois vocês vão votar, tá bom? Okay? And the votation is, does Mattia and Douglas, because Melissa is defending both of those guys, does Mattia and Douglas, do they deserve a warning, yes or no? Okay, everybody? Okay, everybody, all good? And Melissa, like in a real court, you can consult Mattia in between, talk to the guy, like... Melissa pode se consultar com Mattia se quiser. Okay? So it's a role play, don't worry, we're having fun, but it's educational, we're trying to join entertainment, education, ok? Estamos tentando juntar piada com educação, ok? So I'm going to state my case, everybody. Vou falar do meu caso, ok? And before Melissa defends, everybody, I'm going to go to CHF JPY. Oh, sorry, CHF JPY is here.
Should I share the screen?
Am I not sharing?
No, I'm asking
sorry,
because she will see the same as I explained to her.
Sorry.
Maybe it will help.
I'm sorry. Can you see my screen? Consegue ver? Can you see everybody?
Yes, we see your screen.
Okay, so I'm stating my case. So this was give me a second. So this was here, and this was what the analysts were seeing, you know. Okay, and I'm going to do here. It's speculation, and I'm going
That's
to
Wednesday,
go.
not Friday.
And I'm going to go here, and I'm going to come on trading view, and I'm going to post bull bear points, whatever, you know. Okay, everybody. And now I'm going to go on the monthly, and you guys are the judge, you know. So on the monthly, you know, at the time of being, I don't see any bull bear points for the market to fall. And going to the weekly, you know, this was the weekly, right? This was what they were seeing, you know. Romildo non stava vendo nada che vai falar che esse mercado vai descer, you know, because I was seeing everybody. Give me a second. Where is here? Here, maybe here. All right. So I'm seeing higher low, okay? Sto vendo uma baixa mais alta, so I'm seeing a higher low, you know, and no reason to short the market. Non sto vendo nada che il mercato vai descer, you know. I'm not seeing no trend line break, so no bear points, you know. I see bull points, but no bear points from the weekly. And lastly, go on the daily. On the daily, you know, and I'm seeing on the daily an uptrend making higher highs, higher lows. Okay, I'm seeing no break of relevant highs and lows. Non sto vendo quebra di altas e baixas relevanti. You know, I'm not seeing anything. I mean, that's my case, everybody. I see just pure speculation. Okay, sto vendo só pura speculação. Okay, everybody. So shorting, as an analyst, shorting CHF JPY or shorting Euro JPY, you know, which is still speculation, right? How do you know that the market is going to fall? Makes sense, everybody? Because Euro JPY, just an example, it has a monthly band, you know, ele tem a banda mensal. Just an example, you know. Euro JPY is an example, has a monthly band, but CHF JPY doesn't, you know. So I believe, maybe I'm wrong, talvez estou errado, but in my opinion, it was like, as an analyst, it was like pure speculation. Like you have no bear points on the monthly, no bear points on the weekly. Você não tem pontos de touro, urso no mensal, pontos de touro no semanal, pontos de urso no diário. Okay, everybody? That's my case. Please, let's call the defendant. Agora a Melissa vai defender o... Please, Melissa.
Well, I didn't know I would have to be. I didn't know you were going to be making a case. Irregardless, and I certainly didn't even think about this morning.
Don't worry. That's on Mattia.
But I will share.
That's on Mattia to prepare you. Not your fault, you know.
Oh no, Mattia and Mattia. I'm going to be saying. Oh no, I'm going to be saying different things.
No problem.
Than
No problem.
what Mattia sees. Okay. Nope, it's not supposed to be there.
This is for later.
Yeah, that's for later. Okay. I see consolidations. Let's see. Let me pull up my pivot points. I see consolidation between pivot points here. And it's established. And the top of this fib is exactly where this stuff is crossing at. I also see, so this is my first consolidation that I see.
Okay, now everybody, is this consolidation relevant for my case? Essa construção tem uma coisa a ver com o meu caso?
I think she's coming to a point.
Yeah, but I'm just telling the guys, is this consolidation relevant for my case?
No.
You vote. There's no right or wrong. Me personally, not relevant. You can say yes. There is no right or wrong.
I do recognize that this is not a standard bull. Not all of my. I do understand that this is not a standard bull. I'm not making a standard bull bear conversation. I do recognize that.
Okay, all good.
But the first thing I see is a triple top. And not only, sir?
Agreed. Triple top. Okay. Yes, no, agreed.
And not only a triple top, but the neckline on this triple top and his trade, this is one day farther. His trade is on this previous day. And I also want to use replay to this trade. Okay. So up until this point, all of the second consolidation is supporting this pivot point. And then on top of this triple top, there's also this pivot. Now this pivot is not this pivot. I'm sorry. This it's not the pivot. The pivots are still here. This SMA here.
Now wait a second, wait a second. I'm just curious. Did Douglas tell you build the case for me, or did those guys explain to you what they actually did?
Well, I wasn't. Actually, he in a very short sentence he did explain what he had done, and okay. Mattia did a meticulous work, and I'm not discussing any of their points. I know that sounds.
That's all good. That's all right.
I'm not using their points to state my defense. Is kind of what I'm getting at. There's nothing wrong with their points. They specifically Mattia trades on a smaller time frame, so I have less experience. This conversation, defendant, it's not about trading. It's about analysis. They got warning as analysts predicting short less direction. Okay, well, this is me analyzing my chart. Correct?
So
okay. So
if you're not going to defend those guys as analysts, they're going to still have the warning. Make sense, everybody?
You want me to say something? Can I say something?
Absolutely, you're the jury.
Well, I'm missing.
Sure, Julius.
I'm substantiating a choice.
I know one thing. Whatever you are showing, this is, I don't know, Mattia, but this is not Douglas analysis. I'm 100% positive that this is not what Douglas did as an analyst. Melissa is frozen.
I cannot say that I don't agree. I agree.
So you're not really defending the guys.
My internet is, and it shouldn't be.
All good. Don't worry. Okay, let's continue, everybody.
You didn't give me a specific outline on exactly what I would be allowed and not allowed to use.
No, that was not my job. This was Mattia and Douglas' job to tell you what to do, not me. Make sense, everybody? But anyway, let's continue. We are having fun. Don't worry. Melissa is, I'm sure if she is. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, I think. A network is problem.
I hope
Let's
the internet
continue.
hangs out. No, there's no excuse. Okay. I also see a Maraboozle here. And if I were considering, these are all considerations. I believe that this, you had a mandate. So this is following. Visual, there's a visual rounding here, which, hello? Can you hear me or something?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's cutting
right.
you.
There's a visual rounding that has nothing to do, you guys would not use this, but I pay attention to this on a personal basis, which has nothing to do with anybody else, and that's fine. And this is, this SMA is based on 33 days. And there are 33 days between here and here. And the channels still are only breaking it with the wicks. They're still staying under that particular line. Now, in starting this replay, oh, why isn't it starting? In starting
No,
this,
you need to go. Yeah. Okay.
hold on, I meant to go backwards. When I started this replay, basically right here, this candle was red in the morning of the day he would have made this trade. So even this red candle was, although not closed, still appearing to give a sell. So what I'm getting at here is until this particular section, all of the price action was still supporting their sell consideration. And at the point of his entry, there was no break of that. There was no break that would indicate that it was going to go up, although I recognize that that's small. And when he got in, it was red, and it wasn't, the point was red, and it wasn't when he got in, and it wasn't going up when he got in. So he got in when it was red, and
Yes,
I am missing.
Yes, Julius.
So I'm going to defend Mike.
You don't need to defend me. Don't worry. Defend Mattia. Mattia needs help, not me. Melissa needs help, not me. Believe me.
Yeah, I do.
So for me, when you say we should pay attention to details, from what I'm looking at in Melissa's chart, the market actually made, okay, lower lows. It made the higher low. It made another lower, higher. It made a lower high, then it made a higher low, and made another higher high, then made a lower low, then finally it made a higher high. So at that area, when the market made a higher high, it made a new higher low. And from that area, the sell that you are talking about, that they went on that area, it's already, the market is already trending up already. Even from that area inside that box you have right there, the market was already trending up. So selling at the market that is already trending up, that's the reason why they got the warning.
Mario, are you here, Mario? Romildo, está aquí? Romildo?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so I'm going to be as fair as possible, okay? Now, me and Julius and Mattia and Melissa on the daily chart, we can have different analysis, yes? Everybody agrees?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
me, I'm seeing an uptrend. Melissa is seeing consolidation. Fair enough?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, how are we going to decipher this, like, what is what? What is the only way to decipher this?
Can you repeat your question? I don't understand.
On the daily chart, we are seeing different stuff, okay?
Yes, yes.
Somebody's seeing consolidation, somebody's seeing an uptrend. Okay, all good. We agree with this. How is the judge going to, or you as an analyst, how are you going to decipher, is this consolidation or is this an uptrend? What can you do?
Well, if I
You
look
want to vote?
Come again?
He wants to vote.
No, as an analyst. This is Sunday night, and you see on the daily. You are seeing a consolidation. You're talking to Geraldo. Geraldo says, "But I'm seeing an uptrend," and there is like the true analysts, they don't agree. Then how can they're going to decipher this? What can they do? They can go
On the upper time frame.
They can go to the higher time frame. Yes.
Yes.
So go now, Melissa, on the higher time frame.
You can put the vertical line so that we can know where they took the trade from, so we can know it on the weekly time frame.
So we as judges, we all agree. All right, daily, fair enough. Why not? It makes sense. Consolidation, whatever. But also, Julius, the thing, then uptrend. Me as a judge, I can accept. We accept consolidation on the daily, but we also accept uptrend from Julius. We as the jury agreed. Everybody would this be fair play?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, but we still need to make a statement. Who is the murderer? Who is the assassin? So let's go on the higher time. Now, makes sense. Melissa, go to the weekly or monthly, whatever. Now defend, please. Make your defense.
Well, I wasn't finished defending the daily yet.
The daily, it's acceptable. It's okay. We agree with you.
You just got finished telling me you didn't agree.
Well, your analysis is acceptable, but also the accusation. So it's like we're in an impasse. It's 50-50. It's
You're in an impasse, but you haven't even let me finish.
But we just tell you it's acceptable. It's okay.
Okay.
You don't need to defend the daily anymore.
Yes.
So now we're on the weekly, and everybody agrees that this would be fair play. Let's go.
Okay, well, I don't feel like I sufficiently defended the daily yet. So
it's acceptable. It's okay. It's done. Daily, it's all right.
On the weekly, it's a very, very different story.
Okay, I would have been too chicken to take this trade. But I've been surprised at similar trades where Douglas has brought home money on this very similar trade. And
We're talking analysis.
And it's never.
Jury, please. We're talking analysis. Abstain talking about other stuff. Talk analysis, not trading. Go on the weekly and tell us why would you short the weekly chart. Hide the most two recent candles. Hide the red, hide the green. This is what the analysts were seeing Sunday night. One more.
No, that's it.
No,
That's where the trade is.
There's one more.
That's it, boss.
That's it. Okay, I'm sorry.
It's one more.
It is okay.
Now, two more on the right. Show the two green candles. You have two more candles to go.
I don't understand.
The analysts were seeing two more green candles where they're making the analysis.
Oh,
You have four candles missing. So the one candle is the most recent candle. The one candle is from. So Mattia and Douglas, they were seeing the green candles. Those two, yes.
Okay.
Go.
I see.
No.
Oh, it really doesn't matter. It's okay. It's still the same story. Okay, so please defend.
Yeah.
No, it's all good.
No,
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
So from
Not,
here,
not you, Melissa. Melissa must defend. Melissa is the defendant.
Well, I think there are 2 points receding from this pivot point.
This is not a pivot point, everybody. Come on. Isso non è un punto di pivot.
Well, that's true. That's true. But they're both receding from the exact same point. I don't have much defense to say on the weekly.
Melissa non tiene uma defesa semanal.
But the issue is that you had a mandate to make a trade on the Jappies. And also,
please sustain yourself to the analysis. Please don't talk
Melissa,
about...
Melissa, I think we misunderstood the
I'll say.
Mike,
how you say the rule play.
Yep.
It's not the trade, it's just analysis saying the direction. Not the trade that was made.
Pode falar, Romildo.
eu vou ajudar a Melissa aí com o amador da defesa aí.
Como?
O preço fez um topo e fez uma baixa e está voltando para testar. Se o preço não romper e confirmar o teste, é porque o preço vai descer.
Romildo said that you need to wait for a retest or break of the low before you short or do something. Now let's go on the monthly. Vamos no mensal. Okay, so daily analysis sees different stuff. We accept. Weekly, the defense has no defense. What about the monthly?
Can I defend or no?
No.
Why not?
Come again?
Why not?
Because I told you, pick somebody else to defend. You're going to defend after the votation, okay? After the votes and everything.
Okay.
I mean, because you did have Julius defend you. So I think it's only fair to let him defend himself. But
nobody defended me. I don't need defense anyway, you know. It's see everybody, Melissa. Now getting out of the role play, you have their monthly bands. Take it out. Those are not the monthly band.
Well, it's not the color. It's not the color of the monthly bands, but I put it there to recognize that there's nothing up above it. So I titled it wrong, but that's the wrong color. My bands are yellow, and they're always yellow. So that was supposed to be more of a caution.
Mario, are you here, Mario?
Yes, I am here.
Okay. So everybody, if you would be an owner, role play, would you give, not a trader, not an analyst, if you would be an owner, would you give those two analysts warning, yes or no? Let's vote. Not trading wise, analysis wise. Mario vote, Julius vote, Romildo vota, Melissa vota. Melissa, you can vote too.
Will I give? What was your question, boss?
If you would be an owner of a financial institution, so Douglas, it's your analyst, he works for you. Mattia, it's your analyst, he works for you. And those guys are telling us analysts to the trader, short CHF JPY, would they receive a warning, yes or no?
Yes, they will receive a warning.
Julius, yes, warning. Mario?
Can I see another time the weekly, please?
Weekly, please, again.
Yes, I think so.
Yes. Romildo?
Pode falar.
Você iria dar primeiro aviso, sim ou não, para a galera se vale a venda nesse lugar?
Eu ia dar aviso.
Romildo, too, I will give a warning. Melissa? It's a role play. Come on, guys.
No, I would not give a
Nobody's going
warning.
to die.
I mean, I would obviously have a conversation, but not a warning.
Okay,
Not
fair enough,
considering
fair
all the
enough.
things that I haven't even been allowed to discuss.
You please discuss.
Wait, I can't hear you. Hold on.
You can.
Do what?
You have the. Do you want to go on the monthly or the weekly to discuss? What do you want?
Well, it was not weekly, so I don't have much to say on the weekly.
Everybody, do we all agree, Mattia? Do we all agree that you as an analyst, you must go on the monthly and you must go on the weekly? Yes, do we all agree?
Yeah,
Yes.
but at the same time, all the changes start in the 4 hour, and then they move from the 4 hour to the daily.
This is trading wise, not analysis wise. You don't understand probabilities. Make sense? Yes?
If we don't understand it, it doesn't make sense.
Take it like this, like Melissa. Is there anything on the monthly that's telling you to go short? No. Does the
Monthly
half
candle.
line- Come again?
Well, it's only one candle, but yeah, it's
Fair enough. It's only one candle. How
it's
strong
bearish
is-
candle on the monthly.
Sure. So if we go bull point, bear points, you have 20 bull points against 1 bear points. So where is the probability? You analyst.
Well, I'm sorry to say that, but if it will be only with bull and bear points, we will be, I don't know where. Like, we will wait to next monthly Ben to say now it's the time to go short.
Exactly. You are going to wait for the monthly band to go short. Exactly. Do you understand, everybody? Speculation against probabilities. We all make mistakes. Me too. I was a loser on CHF JPY. Romildo was a winner. I said, stay out. The market went up. But you cannot say, I mean, maybe I'm wrong. We're here to talk about. But we go on the monthly, you know, and we talk about, we are going to ask 20 analysts, me as Mike, maybe I'm wrong. Is there anything on the chart that's telling you that the market is going to go down? Some analysts will say, yeah, there is a bearish candle. All right. What about the other one? Then 80% is no. One candle means absolutely nothing in terms of probability. Fair enough? Everybody? Fair enough? I'm not asking you, do you agree with me? I say, fair enough?
Okay.
Then we go on the weekly, same story. Is there anything that telling you that this market is going to push down for the week? No. Yeah, we have the candle, but you have also the bullish candle going up. It's reversal on the, I mean, you have a higher low forming. Fair enough on the weekly? So you have bearish candle on the monthly, you have a higher low on the weekly. How do you understand probabilities as an analyst? And those two guys, the monthly and the weekly, are going to dictate price action on the daily. And there is different analysis. There is consolidation, good, okay. There is uptrend, good, also good, okay. Whatever you see, it's okay. But the monthly and the weekly are the leading force on the daily. And that's why CHF went up, not down. This was predictable. Make sense, everybody? As analysts, not as traders. So, but you didn't buy. We're not talking about trading. We're talking about analysis. Make sense? So, Melissa and Mattia, if you want to defend one more time, you can defend one more time. It's not really a problem. Do you want to try one more time next week?
I don't know. I have to think about it.
My point in here, it's education-wise, everybody, is that you see that this is not good and you cannot do this anymore. It's not good for you. Make sense, everybody? Isso não é bom para você.
Okay, so
we all speculate. Yes, we do.
Oh,
but
yeah.
not like this. Makes sense?
Okay. So I'm trying to understand. Okay, Euro CHF. Sorry, Euro JPY. The only difference is that we have passed high.
Everybody who is smart enough to explain to Mattia why Euro JPY it's not speculation and CHF.
Yeah, I'm saying that we are at monthly band, so we have established monthly band, and that's the only. It's only one point that we have that it's different from CHF JPY.
Amen. Absolutely. If
And
there would be monthly bands, I wouldn't say anything. I mean, if there would be monthly bands, I would go short as an analyst too.
Okay.
For me, all right, for me, it's not only the monthly band. That's just for me.
What differentiates CHF JPY as speculation is there is nothing there for you to say as an analyst that the market is going to go down. That's my case. You are not at the monthly band. Yes, we are. No, you're speculating. You're inventing hot water. The market must fall. I agree, but not when you say.
True.
If you would show this to Adam, he would say, guys, I mean, come on. Make sense, everybody? Not as traders, as analysts. Make sense, everybody?
Yeah.
And let me punch you in the face. If you say no, 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 and no, CHF JPY short, then I'm going to give you $1 million, and you are going to sell AUD CHF, and you are going to sell Canada CHF, and you are going to sell CHF JPY, and you are going to be personally liable for my money. Because those three pairs are exactly the same story. There is no monthly band established. And you know what happened on Canada CHF, and what is happening on AUD CHF, and what is going to happen on ANZ CHF, don't you? If you say this is a short, then AUD CHF for you it's a buy, Canada CHF it's a buy. Fair enough. Think with me. Fair enough? I'm not asking you to agree with me. Is this fair enough?
well, I do feel, I mean,
How is Canada CHF different than CHF JPY?
no, I do.
It's just reversed.
I do recognize your point, and I think, Mattia, that one of the prevalent things that seems to be surpassing you is which one? Yeah, is that these bands are like concrete. They have more power than any other pattern in all of the trading that we have. These are the strongest pattern, and I think that's.
And I'm telling you guys, you can ask Heraldo, and Heraldo is going to tell you guys, listen to me. Until there is going to be war, CHF is going to get stronger. This is what Heraldo is going to tell you. Heraldo vai falar, galera, até tiver guerra no mundo, o CHF vai ficar mais forte. Make sense, everybody? Ramil's smiling. So we are not here to judge anybody. We all make mistakes. Just try to understand that speculating like this, it's as an analyst, it's not good for you. Make sense, everybody? And this happens in real offices. Analysts get warnings. Isso acontece nas empresas de verdade. Os analistas pegam avisos. Mario, que mangi? Brodina, que pane.
So okay, the
Oh, nice, very good.
the conclusion can be like, as analysts we can speculate.
Come again?
But not as analysts we can speculate, but not speculate like stupid things like this.
Exactly. Amen. Now, if Melissa as an analyst says, now look at the daily chart, if Melissa as an analyst says, but this is now short, can I give the warning to Melissa?
Yeah.
Look at the chart, and Melissa says short. Can I give the warning?
Yeah.
I mean,
not sure.
talking about warning, I can do whatever I want. I'm the boss. I can give the warning. But Melissa is going to say, compared to Douglas and Mattia, is going to say, yes, but there is double tops now. And I'm going to say, well, I agree. Now this is becoming strong resistance. And I'm going to say, yes, I agree. So shorting there 2 weeks ago as an analyst, deciding to tell your trader to short 2 weeks ago as an analyst, or shorting now, you must understand, you must learn that this is not the same. One was speculation on the direction that the market is going to fall. Now this is kind of, now I don't know, but Melissa can say, well, this is a short-term short, or this is a consolidation short. Make sense, everybody?
Yeah, but it's still high. It's still high speculation.
I agree with you.
Yeah,
we all agree.
And one major point that I have, despite all these items, one major point I have is that I did not make that trade, by the way, but the only reason I did not make the trade is because it actually broke the fib.
But nobody's talking trading here. We're talking analysis.
Yeah.
But also until Friday, if the market goes up, I'm going to give Melissa warning again. Guess why, everybody?
Speculation.
Because the monthly and the weekly are going to close a bullish candle. This is where you, as an analyst, you must learn to be objective. Make sense? Does this make sense? And like Matthias said, it's bull bear points, but if we're waiting for bull bear points, we are going to wait. Exactly. Exactly. Because you're trying to capture high probability trades.
And I think that, and I really feel like that's the major reason why it makes us use all the pairs.
Guys, listen to me. You can ask Douglas and Geraldo. Talking about myself, I was calling Lambo trade for 3 years. Lambo trade short, Lambo trade short, Lambo trade short. You can ask Geraldo and Douglas. When the market went out of the monthly bands, I changed my analysis. Make sense? I said, guys, I was wrong. It's not Lambo short anymore. Now it's not tradable anymore.
Okay, so one question.
Sure.
So you were saying Lambo trade short, Lambo trade short, Lambo trade short.
Until
was there anything else than monthly band that was telling you that the market will go down?
Talking about analysis or trading?
Analysis.
No.
Okay, so you were highly speculating. So I would give you a warning, like 3 years.
No. Okay, Mattia, that's the point I'm trying to get to. Mattia, I don't think you recognize the fact that that band is 10 times stronger.
Wait. Yes, exactly. Yeah. So Mattia is going to give me a warning, and I'm going to say, yes, boss, defend yourself. Boss, it's at the monthly band.
Okay, yeah. It's so you have a reason, a strong reason to defend yourself.
Tell me, you still got a warning, son. Tell me that I'm with the warning. It's at the monthly band.
Yeah, you still get the warning.
Why?
Is there anything else that shows you that the market will go down?
The monthly band.
Yes, but is monthly band confirmed?
Yes, it's confirmed.
Right now?
Sure.
As a timing?
Not in this.
Well, calm down. As a timing? No, boss, I'm an analyst. I'm not a trader. Timing, how to enter, where to enter. This is this guy, the Mario's job, not mine. But let me tell you in the face. So, boss, are you telling me you are the manager of Citibank that this market is not going to fall at the monthly band?
Okay, sorry, I think like confused because last time we write that analyst gives probability, direction, and timing. So probably I missed something. Okay.
Yes, Mario.
Micha, please. But me, as analyst and trader, I am so ignorant compared to all you. I am looking at the chart of Canada JPY, and can I share the screen?
Sure.
So it's just to understand, because I see the things very simplistic way, you know.
Yes. In the meantime, everybody, please do this also with the others. You, Mattia, too, and Douglas, too. If you see somebody doing some stupid shit, going against the monthly band, or shorting the market, or buying without the band, tell those guys this is wrong because you are speculating. Does this make sense? Douglas making money, shorting CHF JPY, this is luck. And Douglas buying AUD CHF and making money, this is luck. How do I know this is luck? Because he cannot replicate the trade. He's taking chances. Does this make sense?
Mm-hmm.
It's not part of the strategy. It's not part of the samples. This is like Rebecca. He's going to buy AUD CHF. Make sense? You must understand this. This is the institutional way of thinking. You are not picking and choosing. You're following rules. And that's the why. And you help the guys, telling the guys, Douglas, don't do this. That's wrong. Make sense, everybody?
Makes sense.
Now, if you... Yes, let me go to Mario. Give me a second. Now, if you on Canada, if you on CHF JPY, if you short the market as a trader, if you short 0.5% or 0.25, it's okay. If you short 5%, first warning. Guess why?
Speculation.
Because you put too much risk on pure speculation. You're going to lose money. You're going to break the account. You know, if you do something 0.5%, 0.25, you say, oh yeah, I'm having fun. I'm taking a chance. I can accept this, but risking 5% on something is pure speculation. You got the warning.
Mm.
Make sense, everybody? Yes, Mario. Scusa.
Non, c'est bon. Juste.
C'est bon, je suis. Oui, mon ami, mon amour. Je t'aime.
The currency pairs we were talking before, it was Canada JPY or CHF JPY, because now you told CHF.
CHF JPY.
Okay.
CHF JPY.
So everything is okay. It's okay.
All right, all good. Okay, everybody? If you believe in an office, in my company, and I'm doing this with real people, real life. If you believe you've been treated unfairly, we give you another chance. So Mattia and Melissa, if you believe that you've been treated unfairly, you can defend your next time, but you must convince those guys, not me. Make sense? The Mattia so far got the warning, not because I said, because Mario said, fair warning, Julius said, fair warning, Ramilo said, fair warning. Make sense? So do you want to have another chance, Mattia?
I will not bother.
Okay. I will not bother doesn't go with, does this make sense to you? Make sense, everybody? You must make logic of this conversation. It's not a fight, who is right, who is wrong, you know, oh, they hurt me, you know.
Yeah, it makes sense. I have my reasons. It's the weekly was showing some points for me that it will go down, but monthly only one candle. So
okay, so
at the end, it's
okay. So share your screen and show the weekly telling you that the market is going to fall. And remember, everybody, if you're going to continue, because you can, me too, we can always defend ourselves. But if the boss prove you did something stupid once, 2 times, the third time they're going to fire you. Make sense, everybody? Is that simple?
Yeah. Okay, so from the weekly, so I replayed to this was then the weekend view of the market. So what I was seeing was, okay, this was the best, the candle that indicates the top. This candle confirms it that the market move down. Okay, we move down. We start to moving up again. But I was looking all these wicks on these candles, selling pressure, selling pressure, selling pressure on all three candles.
What about the bullish pressure on the last candle and the middle candle?
This candle is more undecision. This is the best here.
Sure, but isn't this bullish pressure equalizing the bearish pressure? Isn't this the same? Or is more bearish pressure?
Just a second. So here is stronger selling pressure, and here too. Here is equal.
When I say stronger, it's like 10-1 or it's 6-5?
Yeah, it's not big difference, but
what about the red one?
This is equal.
It's equal.
Yeah.
So when
what I was
yes.
Also, this resistance on the daily, it's more visible.
This is not resistance on the weekly. Agreed, Batia?
Yeah, we can.
On the daily, yes, we all agree. On the weekly, everybody, is this resistance one tail of candle in between somewhere? Mario's doing like this. No, not resistance. This is, I didn't say this. Now, I'm not arrogant. I'm trying to make a point education-wise. I didn't see this resistance in no book ever. This is new age.
Yeah, you can more identify from because of the daily.
Daily, we agreed. We said, oh, Melissa, yes, we agree. All good.
Yeah. So I was watching these candles, basically, how is it behaving, like strong sell down. Because all this movement happened in your head, you have like, okay, we will retrace now because we were in parabolic phase.
But
this was
everybody be very careful. Now, this is a problem. Be very careful with parabolic, huge. This is your homeostasis taking it. Makes sense? This vocabulary has no relevance in math, in bull points, bear points. Make sense? I know the market's going to reverse because it went parabolic. First warning. It went parabolic. Well, it's going to rain because now it's sun. It's a hot sun. I know it's going to rain in about an hour. It's the same mentality.
Yeah.
That actually happens here.
Not when you want it. What I agree with you. Okay, everybody?
Yeah. I will take the warning.
We also have a learning experience. So what happens if this happens for real? I must journal that this is perception issues. Make sense? This is learning, by the way. This is not judge. It's learning. Me as Mattia, I must understand that instead of me going monthly, weekly, daily, and the monthly is the strongest force, and the weekly is the strongest force, and the daily is going to conform the narrative from the monthly and the weekly. Me as Mattia, as perception, I did exactly the opposite. Does this make sense?
Yeah. Well, my logic, sorry.
I am teaching you, you go on the monthly first, and you build a scenario. And then you go on the weekly, and we are seeing confirmation on the narrative on the monthly. If there is, yes. If there is, so it's conforming the narrative. And then we go on the daily, and we're looking for confirmation from the monthly and the weekly. This is what I'm teaching you. Make sense? So we all make mistakes, not a problem. Mattia, you suck at making mistakes anyway. I did shits that you would never imagine. I would call it short and also risk 10%. And you know how it went anyway. Make sense, everybody? But I didn't have a mentor who would do this stuff, who have role play, defend. Make sense? Nobody was telling me this is right, this is wrong. Make sense, everybody? And please help me out. When you see your buddy doing stupid shit, tell the guy. Make sense? You can say, "Hi, Mattia, Mario, please, maybe I'm wrong, and I don't know, and please don't take me as arrogant, but I believe what you're doing, it's a bullshit mistake, stupid mistake." Make sense, everybody? Don't be afraid to tell the other guy.
Yeah.
I mean, don't go like full blown like arrogancy, not like this.
I'm sorry, I have to go.
Okay, me too. All right,
Thank
everybody.
you and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Okay, everybody, all good? Any questions before you finish?
Nope.
Okay. Did you enjoy the experience?
Do what?
Did you enjoy the experience, everybody?
No,
No. No.
but I don't have to.
No. All right.
But I don't have to. It's fine.
All right, everybody. See you next time, and let's see you in about 20 minutes.
Bye.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Julius. Thank you. Bye.